So we're here on our interview with who? What's your name?
My name is, well, I go by a couple things. Let's see, one will be, Mr. Mac and Cheese. Because, I always go, cheese! and, and, I like Macs. Yeah, so you can call me Mackie.
Okay, Mackie. So where were you born?
I was born on a cruise ship of. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! There's something attacking my face. Something's attacking me. What's attacking me? Oh no! Oh. Don't take